Welcome to our latest update on Delta Executor. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about downloading and installing it for Roblox on iOS. In this update, V2.681, we have several new features and improvements designed to enhance your gaming experience. Before you start, let's go over the system requirements to ensure your iOS device can run Delta Executor. Now, let's dive into the downloading process. Follow these simple steps to get Delta Executor on your device. Once downloaded, it's time to install. I'll guide you through the installation process on your iOS device. After installation, you'll need to configure Delta Executor to work smoothly with Roblox. Here's how. Let's go over the exciting new features introduced in version 2.681 that enhance user experience. To maximize your experience while keeping your account safe, here are some essential tips for using Delta Executor responsibly. If you encounter any issues during installation, we've got you covered with some troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching our guide. For more resources and support, check out the links provided in the description below.